Hey frugivores, here we have another what I eat in a day fruit base. Today is a raw till 4 day and I'm starting my day with a coconut from the land. So I like to drink the water and eat the young coconut flesh. And it's a great source of potassium, magnesium, calcium, sodium. Very, very healthy, great hydration and tastes awesome, right? If you are trying to get off the eggs, the hensies, then try coconut instead. Very, very similar and actually healthy and not cruel. So here I'm making my special garlic bread. I just put raw garlic and a bit of salt water, or you can just use Himalayan sea salt, something like that. And just like that, it's delicious.
I love it.
So after I have my cocoa, I might go for a bit of a walk or do some work in the food forest. And we have unique insects here. Check out this stick insect. Like leaf, it has like leaf legs.
Those legs.
Just blew me away, blew me away.
Wow.
Pretty soon after my coconut water and flesh, I will have a carrot juice. This is just at the moment, I'm having around a litre of carrot juice and I'm really enjoying it right now. And I'm trying to use a fibre as well. So the best gift of all is being able to pick your own food free from your land. It is amazing. And yeah, there's another little insect interaction going on here. The spider has to eat. If you look closely, the spider has actually captured that moth. Anyway, so I'm picking some of these grummy chumma and they are so delicious and refreshing. One of my favorite. I just went for a jog and picked these in the Garden of Freedom. Amazing grummy chummy, the sweetest, most refreshing berry I think you can have. I'm not talking it up, honestly. So much better than the purple variety. Check it out. They go kind of red, but best to pick them. They're sweet at many stages. We have two varieties. We also have this dark kind of purple one. It's not as nice, but it's still delicious and they fruit abundantly. I just love being able to go for a walk and pick fruit. Another op-shop bargain. This whole outfit cost me $5. Honestly, go to secondhand shops. They're way better. Okay, so I'm having papaya that we grew and bananas that we grew. So this is a fully homegrown meal. How awesome is that? And this papaya is just like perfection. Love these sugar bananas. Gonna enjoy this. Wow. So you obviously don't have to live off grid to get amazing results on the Raw to 4 diet. And Ashley is a great example. She lost 85 pounds and she cured IBS. So she wrote, with Raw to 4, I've lost close to 85 pounds. I had gained a lot of weight after losing my mum and job. I knew I had to do something about this. I was vegetarian since high school, eating a lot of garbage basically. I cut out the animal products and within a month lost 30 pounds. I kept going, eating my fruits and veggies, smoothies, always quick and easy, having my cooked meals as well. Sometimes I had a steamed vegetable plate for lunch to change things up. I am now free of pre-diabetes, IBS, and feel amazing. Hope that I can inspire others to try it. It really works. Thank you so much, Freely, for all that you do. So you can heal your body, be kind to animals, reveal your natural shape, protect against disease, be a positive example for others, and never restrict calories again. Check out the Raw to 4 diet or check out all my books. I've got a special discount going at the moment, which is actually very generous and I won't be having it going forever. And I'll put the discount codes on the screen. The link is in the description below. So how much do you think, about 40 kilo?
Yeah, about 40 kilo.
Oh gosh, hang on, let me help. Bananas are here. And they're huge. Huge, look there, here's a ripe one. Well, ripe-ish. Look at these bananas that we grew. They're still on the bunch. They are huge. I would say they're about 200 calories each. Homegrown, organic, free food essentially. And look, there's more free food. Yeah, amazing.
Elefanta.
So this is my little jungle fairy outfit, which you're going to see very soon. This might be the most beautiful flower display I've ever collected. Getting the weekly flowers. I'm going to put water in here so they're floating. Aren't they beautiful? Wow. All from the Garden of Freedom. Everybody has to eat, including the orb weaver spider. Prepping. So if we do eat cooked food for dinner, we usually keep it pretty simple. This is a pumpkin, Thai-inspired pumpkin soup, which is delicious. Got pumpkin and mushrooms on top. This is a coconut sprout cut up, some coconut from the coconut milk, and salad. Okay, frugivore, that's my video for today. A quick one to give you a little bit of an update, see what we're kind of doing and eating in the food forest in the Garden of Freedom. And I will see you soon. Don't forget to go fruit yourself and let me know down below in the comments what you think.